Welcome back to the Fuentes family channel, and again, this is Lorie. So, in today's video, guys, we are going to interview Filipinos from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines, and ask their opinion. Why do Western men love Filipinas so much? Yes, guys, we are going to ask their opinion about that. So, let's go. Okay, enjoy the video. Ate, what is your name?
Joy po.
Joy?
Joy in Aquarium.
Okay, nice to meet you. How old are you?
I'm 20.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, she's very beautiful. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
I'm in a relationship.
Boyfriend?
Yeah, 4 years.
Wow. Are you still studying or you're working?
I'm studying at Ateneo, the Naga University.
What course?
Bachelor of Arts in Political Science, major in Public Administration.
Wow. Okay, in your opinion, why do Western men love Filipinas so much?
I think the Western men loves the Filipina or the Filipinas so much because of the legacy that the Filipinas have left in their country. I think one of its reason is that Filipinas are known to be hospitable and loving and caring. And even though there are some consequences or there are cons, we force ourselves or we tend to always look in the pros or the positive sides of knowing the Western man. And I think it's good as long as no Filipinas are being abused by the Westerns.
I love that answer. So probably that's the reason why instead of looking for their what do you call this partner in the future in Western countries, they tend to travel like like
Miles away
Yeah.
from their country,
Yes.
just to find a lover here in the Philippines. Yes.
so that's the reason why, right?
Yeah, I think.
What is your name?
My name is Elisa Verde.
Elisa? Elisa, that's a very cute name. Nice to meet you, Elisa. Nice to meet you. How old are you, Elisa?
I'm 21.
You're 21. Are you still studying?
Yes.
Oh, what is your course?
Bachelor in nursing.
Nursing. Also, you're gonna be a nurse. Wow. What year are you now?
Second year.
Second year college. Are you in a relationship or you're single?
Single.
Oh, you're single. Okay.
Study.
You study for okay. She said that study first. Okay, so Elisa, here's the question. In your opinion, why are hold on. In your opinion, why do Western men love Filipinas so much?
For me po, since Filipino is known for being faithful and caring person po. So, yung mga Filipino po kasi, sila po yung may mga katangian na once na nakita mo sa kanila and then na in love ka sa kanila, sila yung mapag-alaga. Yan yung mga nakikita nila. Kaya kahit hindi ka maganda, basta inaalagaan mo sila at minamahal mo sila, yun po.
So what she said, okay,
Translate.
I'll just put it together, okay, the thought. Okay, what she said, what Elisa said is that it's because Filipino tend to care so much, right? And even they're not that so beautiful, they're caring person, right? And then what else did you say? That they are
Loyal?
they're loyal, they're faithful. Okay, so those are the two reasons why. And then I would like to say, you mentioned that even they're not beautiful. It's very common here in the Philippines too, guys, that they said, I even told my husband about it, that a lot of Filipino said that most of foreigners here in the Philippines, they like exotic beauty.
The unique one. Yeah.
Okay, so she said the unique one. Yes, they like the exotic. I don't know what is the meaning of that, but they said exotic beauty. That's why a lot of foreigners like Filipinas. But I agree with you. Most of Filipinos are very caring, right?
Yes po.
Kuya, what is your name?
I'm Eric.
Eric. Okay. Kuya Eric, how old are you?
I'm 23.
You're 23. Are you working?
Yes.
What is your job?
Professional teacher.
Wow! Okay.
Andito ako actually para mag-renew ng license. Kaso walang card.
So he's here to renew his license. So Kuya Eric, here's the question. In your opinion, why do Western men love Filipinas so much?
Well, Kasi unang-una sa
Sorry. Okay lang English, kahit basic
ah,
English na.
well, first of all, because Filipinas are known to be caring, hospitable, and of course, Filipino women are beautiful.
I think there are also Western women that are beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
So why do you think foreigners or Western men tend to travel a lot of miles just to come here and look for their partner in the future?
Well, I guess it's maybe because of the general attitude of Filipino women. They are so industrious. They care for their husband very much. And of course, Western men are attracted to. I'm not saying that this is the only thing that they like about Filipino women, but they like their complexity. They like Filipina more because also because they are doing, they are very industrious when it comes to doing household chores and heart na rin ng Filipino.
What's your name?
Mary Rose.
Mary Rose. Nice to meet you, Mary Rose. How old are you, Mary Rose? 20. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Relationship.
In a relationship. You're studying in college, right?
Yes.
What course are you taking? I mean, are you gonna? What is your course?
Political science.
AB Political Science. Wow. So that is her course. Okay. Mary Rose, here's the question. Okay, in your opinion, why do Western men love Filipinas so much?
I think it's related to our skin tone because they like morena women, and I think our humility also because we find those hardships. When there are hardships, we always think positive and have an optimistic view in life. And lagi nga they always said na na we are hospitable, so wife material. So I guess that's why Western men like Filipino women.
Wow. I love those answers. So the mindset, right? And then the brown skin, we call it morena here in the Philippines. Do you think that there are Western women who has those kind of mindset as well?
Yes, however, most Western women tend to think about that their husband or future husband prefer and prefer to be with women who has sexy bodies. However, Filipinas we embrace our bilbel or our tummies. We don't focus on how chubby or big our shoulders are. Yun.
Oh, so what she's saying is that Western women they tend to be conscious about their body, while Filipinas, most of them are they love who they are. Even they have what do you call big tummy, they have big shoulders, and I think most of Filipinas are petite, right?
Yes.
What is your name?
Camilla.
Camilla. That's a very cute name, Camilla. I remember Camilla. What's the singer? What's her name? With I forgot her name, but yes, there's a Camila Cabello, I believe. I'm not really sure, but nice to meet you. How old are you?
18.
Oh, you're 18. You're studying, right?
First year college nursing.
Nursing. Wow. So you're gonna be nurse in the future. Okay. So here's the another question. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
In relationship.
Wow, you have a boyfriend? Oh, okay. So, here's the question for the interview, okay? In your opinion, why do Western men love Filipinas so much?
For me is the way Filipino respect other, and the way the Filipina or Filipino care for other peoples.
Other people. So that's the reason why. Okay, so they tend to care to everyone, like a lot of people. Okay, I see. Do you think there are also other Western women that are caring to others? Like they tend to care to everyone, not just themselves, or. So what really is the reason why like Western men travel here a lot of miles just to look for, for their partner in the future. Aside from that, what makes us different from Western women?
The way that the hirap wag. Pwede ba wag
Sige, okay lang.
Yung the way na kung paano yung palakihin yung mga Pilipino.
Oh, okay. So the
Like-
way the Filipino brought up, like when they're, how do you say that in English? Like when they're growing up, right? Like the culture, right? Ate, what is your name?
Sharon de la Cruz.
Sherwin?
Yes.
Wow, that's unique. It's like a name of a boy, Sherwin. Ate, nice to meet you. How old are you, Ate?
37.
37. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Relationship.
You have a husband?
Yes po. I'm
Oh.
waiting.
Oh, you're waiting for. And do you have kids, Ate Sherwin?
4.
Wow. Okay. So, Ate Sherwin, this is only what do you call this, opinion? Okay, your opinion. We're asking your opinion. Why do Western men love Filipinas so much?
I think because of the ano ba yun? Yung ano nila, pagiging hospitality and then loving and care because yun naman na that is the ano yan?
Characteristic of
Characteristic of the Filipino that all men siguro is looking for.
Wow, that's very beautiful. Okay. Okay. So, Ate Sherwin, I have another question. Do you think there are also Western women that are hospitality, they're caring? So why these foreigners really come here? Like, what makes the Filipino like stand up? I mean, stand out. Like, what makes them like they have to travel or from let's say from US to here?
Okay, I think the culture of the Filipino and then the place is, pag sinabi natin it's more fun in the Philippines, kaya maraming pasyalan. And then yung mga tao is, ang ugali natin is rare because it comes from hospitality nga is parang yung visitors is very welcome to the country.
Wow. Ate Sherwin, that's a very beautiful answer. So, because of culture, that's why that makes us different from other people, right? Especially Western women. I really love that answer. Thank you so much, Ate Sherwin.
Thank you.
Salamat.